Gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja gikone ogolo duonde wi ywaruok mosebede e kind 10 kaunti ma Nairobi kod kambi keyo teko stima mar Kenya Power, kamolero ni gisebago romo mar keto winjruok e wi kaka gibiro chulo gope mosebedo ka kelo fwere e kindgi kod kambino. Sakaja owuoyo e log tich mar 10 kaunti ma Nairobi kamokwayo bende abede migepe mag piny owacho mondo luw chike moketi e chenro mag chulo gope, kaka kamano ogoyo bade piny ni okang' mane gikawo mar puko taka e rangai mag log tich mar kambi mar Kenya Power ne ok en gima kare. Nowacho ni gisetieko gwandruok ma kamago e yo makare.
We agreed that those commercial disputes, us saying you owe us this, them saying you owe us this, are going to be resolved between myself and the Cabinet Secretary for Energy and Petroleum, Opio Wandai. And if need be, the Intergovernmental Technical Relations Committee will also come, to resolve that. The law is clear that this ICT infrastructure on whale leaves are supposed to be paid to the county. What happened is at some point, Kenya Power offered them their backbone for them to put on top, and they pay Kenya Power, but they don't pay us. We've also spoken to the ISPs and the telcos yesterday. We're going to be meeting them to also tell them how they can be further compliant, because they want to just provide a service. And it's unfortunate, when you disconnect internet, there are businesses, there's even schools that are connected to fiber and they don't get access. It's really unfortunate. It's nothing that we like to do.